Hello everyone, my name is Mars, and in today's video, I'm going to try to make milk tea, but there's a catch. I'm not gonna use those powdery stuffs where you just add water. We're going to use actual tea. In addition to that, I'm going to make the pearls from scratch. I just want to test if this recipe works out. Well, let's go make it. First, we need tea, of course. My pick for this one is Lady Grey tea from Twinings. This is not sponsored, we just have a lot of this tea here. Anyway, we're gonna brew this and just set it aside to cool. While it's brewing, we're gonna make the pearls. Now, the recipe I found requires tapioca flour, but I don't have it, so we're gonna use cassava powder. From what I have researched, tapioca and cassava came from the same plant. While they are from different parts of the plant, I feel like we'll be able to get a nice and gummy result. It's worth experimenting. The recipe says to pour freshly boiled water, so that's what we're gonna do. Okay, we're just gonna knead it until it's like a Play-Doh. Next, we're gonna boil some water with some brown sugar so the pearls have flavor. While we wait, let's roll this dough into small balls. It's actually quite crumbly but at the same time rubbery. A little bit finicky, but we managed to roll them nicely. Look at that, they're pretty cute. The water is nice and boiled, and we're gonna drop in our bowls down there. I cooked this at around 15 minutes. It looks like those Baba Pearl, although it's not black because I didn't add black food color, but it's not gonna change the taste. I let the tea and the pearls cool on the fridge overnight, and now it's time to assemble it. Let's add in some pearls, and then the tea, finally some milk. Mix it up, and that's what it looks like. Now, to be honest with you, I have never had milk tea ever. I swear, so I don't really know what it's supposed to look like, but I have to say, it tastes nice. It tastes like a combination of milk and tea, obviously. And it has the sweetness from the pearls and sugar syrup. Will I make this again? Probably, if I'm in the mood. I kinda like it, but it's not something I drink every day. I hope you enjoyed this video. I like to make baking and DIY videos, so if you like to see more of this, how about smacking that subscribe button? Ring the bell as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!